This is ANN News Brief.
The World Health Organization's latest data have shown that Africa has chalked up total confirmed coronavirus cases of more than 750,000. The tally now stands at 751,151. As of Wednesday, at least 15,721 have died of the disease, while more than 400,000 patients have recovered from the virus. Covid-19 cases on the continent crossed the 500,000 mark during the first week of this month. South Africa is the hardest hit country with 395,000 positive cases. The WHO said this week it was concerned about the spread of COVID-19 in Africa. The organization warns of a continued acceleration of COVID-19 transmission. WHO's emergency chief, Michael Ryan, said what is happening in South Africa may unfortunately be a precursor and a warning for what will happen in the rest of Africa. Liberia's President George Weah has lifted a state of emergency he had declared 3 months ago to tackle the coronavirus pandemic. The president has ordered enforcement soldiers back to the barracks. The restrictions ended on Wednesday. George Weah had told worshippers at his private church a few days before lifting the state of emergency he could not continue to keep the country in lockdown. Meanwhile, the president has warned the public not to construe this action as a license to engage in behaviors that may lead to a further spread of the virus. Infections have continued to surge in Liberia. 70 persons have died of the virus and more than 1,000 cases have been confirmed. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
Ethiopia's national carrier, Ethiopian Airlines, says the cause of a fire that gutted one of its planes is being investigated. An Ethiopian Airlines Boeing 777 cargo plane caught fire while loading cargo at China's Shanghai Pudong International Airport on Wednesday. The airline said the fire was contained and none of the crew or ground staff were harmed. A statement from the airline says the cargo flight was on irregular service from the Chinese city to Ethiopia's capital, Addis Ababa. Videos show heavy smoke billowing from the aircraft and a large section of the upper fuselage appeared scorched. After the fire broke, flights bound for Shanghai Pudong International Airport were diverted to another international airport. That is ANN News Brief at 11. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Ademi.